area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by delta is equal to half x1, determinant of half x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3 and 1. Now let us look into a problem related to this. Find the area of a triangle with vertices as, with the given vertices given as 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. Now let us quickly solve this. You'll just have to substitute the values for x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, expand the determinant and find the value. That's it. So delta is equal to half into x1 is 1, y1 is, let me fill off the x1, x2, x3. x1 is 1, x2 is 6, x3 is 4, y1 is 0, y2 is 0 and y3 is 3, then 1, 1, 1. Now let us expand this. So that will give you half into 1 into 0 minus 3 minus 0 plus 1 into 6 3s are 18 minus 0, which is equal to half into minus 3 plus 18, which is equal to 15 by 2 or 7 1 by 2 square roots. Minors and cofactors. The minor of an element aij can be obtained by suppressing the ith row and the jth column. It is denoted by mij. The cofactor of the element aij is its major with its minor with its corresponding sign. It is denoted by aij is equal to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j mij. Now let us do a problem related to this. Write the minor and cofactor of elements of the determinant. Now let us first do with 2 by 2 matrix, that is given 2 minus 4 0 3. So delta is equal to, given as 2 minus 4 0 and 3. The determinant given determinant is 2 minus 4 0 3. Now let us find the minor and cofactor for this. So minor of a11 is equal to, I can write as m11 is equal to 3. Cofactor of a11 is equal to, I can write it as a11, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 m11, which is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 2 into 3, which is equal to 3. Similarly, minor of a12 is equal to m12, which is equal to 0. Cofactor of a12 is equal to a12, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 m11, which is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 3, which is nothing but minus 1 into 0, which is equal to 0. Next, let us find out the minor of minor of A21, which is nothing but M21, which is equal to minus 4, which is minus 4. You are suppressing the, as given by the definition, you are suppressing the values, that is the first column and the second row. So that gives you minus 4. Now to find the cofactor of A21 is equal to, write as A21, which is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 M21, which is again minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1 into minor of M21 is nothing but minus 4, that gives you 4. Finally, minor of A22 is equal to M22, which is nothing but 2. Considering only the, you have to leave off the first row, second row and the second column. Finally, you are left with 2. Second row and second column, finally you are left with only 2. Now to find out the cofactor of A22 is equal to A22, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into M22. Minus 1 the whole power 4 is plus 1, which is equal to into 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. So these are the minor and cofactors of the respective elements of the given determinant. Now let us do for a 3 by 3 matrix given delta is equal to 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now M11 is equal to, you will have to leave the first row and the first column. So that would give you 5 minus 1, 1, 2, which is nothing but 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11, and A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into M11, which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 into 11, which is equal to 11. Next is M12 is equal to, leave the second column and the first row. So you will be left with 3 minus 1, 0, 2, which is equal to 6 minus 0, which is equal to 6, and A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 M12, which is equal to 1 plus 2. So minus 1 the whole cube, whole to the power of 3, the minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1 into 6, which is equal to 6, minus 6. Next is minor of 1, 3 is equal to, leave that row and that column, so that will give you 3, 5, 0, 1, which is nothing but 3 minus 0, which is equal to 3, and A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into M13, which is minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus 1 into M13 is 3, which is equal to 3. Next, let us go with the second column, second row, that is M21, which is, now you will have to leave the second row and the first column. So that would give you 0, 4, 1, 2, which is equal to 0 minus 4, which is equal to minus 4. Now A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into M21, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 4, which gives you 4. Next, let us go to the M22. Now we will have to leave the second row and the second column. So you will be left with 1, 4, 0, 2, which is 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2. Now A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equal to 1 plus 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. And M23 is equal to, now leave the second row and the third column, you will be left with 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to 1, minus 0, which is equal to 1. And A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 into M23, which is nothing but minus 1 into 1, which is equal to minus 1. Now let us go with the third row. So M31 is equal to, now we will have to leave the third row and the first column. So that would give you 0, 4, 5, minus 1, which is 0, minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. And A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into M31, which is 1 into plus 1 into 31 is minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. Next is M32 is equal to, now we'll have to leave this third row and the second column. So you'll be left with 1, 4, 3, minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, minus 12, which is equal to minus 13. And A32 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 into M32, which is equal to minus 13. I made a mistake there, so that will give 3. Leaving the third row and the third column, we will be left with 1, 0, 3, 5, which is nothing but 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5. And A33 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into M33, which is equal to 1 into 5, which is equal to 5. So, let us quickly see the minors and cofactors for all the elements. Minor of M11 is equal to 11 and cofactor for A11 is 11. M12 is 6. A12, this should be A12. A12 is equal to minus 1 into 6, which is minus 6. M13 is 3. A13 is, A13 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into M13, which is 3. M21 is equal to minus 4. A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into M21, which is 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, 4. M22 is 2 minus 0, 2. A22 is 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. M23 is 1 minus 0 is 1. A23 is minus 1 into 1, which is equal to minus 1. M31 is equal to 0 minus 20, which is minus 20. So, A23 is 1 into minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. M23 is equal to minus 1 minus 12, which is equal to minus 13. A32 is equal to minus 1 into minus 13, which is equal to 13. M33 is 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5. And A33 is equal to 1 into 5 is equal to 5.